Peekaboo. Ava Marie Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Oh yeah? Peekaboo. That's funny. Talk to Mama. Talk to Mama. Tell me. Ava Marie is 5 months old. So big. So big. Leave me with your feet. Tell us. Oh, peekaboo. Who is that? Who is that calling us? Look at how long my baby is in the bassinet. What happened? Let's see your bellies. Show us your bellies. Show us your bellies. Look at that belly. Look at that belly. Show us your belly. Eva, give kisses to the camera. Ava, talk to us. Talk to us. Talk to us. Hey, talk to us. I know. Let's show him how much you like your butterfly. Here's your butterfly. No, you don't want to be excited? You don't want to show him your butterfly? Alright. Say bye. See you later. See you later.